U45W Blue Jay WIFI FPV drone SOAR troop with 1 key lift, flash land, headless mode and altitude hold. You'll have to fly far to find the better drone for beginners that pros can also enjoy. Great for newbies, veterans or anyone looking for drones with lid camera capability. Watch live video in flight with WIFI enabled FPV. The Blue Jay's TMP drone H8 camera is your ticket to a 360 degrees bird's eye view. And video quality has been upgraded to 1280x720 stores and transfer data easily from your drone WIFI with camera. The Blue Jay comes with a 4GB SanDisk Micro SD Card and reader, so you can start recording right out of the box. Keep flying with minimal upkeep. Use the included extra propellers and battery charger to keep your bird soaring smoothly. Extra battery plus power bank equals more flight time. See description to compare all models.